Say, huh? What do you say? What do you say? Let's get to it. Let's get to it. Yeah, nice. Good job. Good job. Come on, Simon. Hi, Hamish. Oh,
You called him Simon?
I did call him Simon. Simon don't care. Come on, Simon. Where'd that go? Get it. Get it. Get it. Nice. Good job. Good job. These guys aren't worried about the storm. They ain't worried, are you? Huh? Huh? Oh, yeah, he's already going. Get it. Get it. Come on, Simon. Come on. Nice. Good job. Good job. Good job. Take care of your feet. Take care of your feet. Yeah, take care of your feet. Oh!
Oh!
Very crappy throw. Get it! Get it!
He's like a jumping
Get it! Get it!
Is he caged yet?
Very exciting in his life. Life is very exciting. I do not.
Okay.
Very exciting life. Oh, really? Have you a wish, sir? Oh, Simon. Okay. Simon. Simon. There it goes. You know, I offered yesterday, Boo.
Jumpy. Look at him.
Yeah. Right. It's coming. Excitement is coming. Come on. Come on. Yeah, you saw me playing with side. Squeak it. Squeak it. Nice. Good job. Oh, too good a goalie. Screwed the bounce. Good job. Good squeaking. Good squeaking, Hamish. Nice. Right.
Oh, yeah. He jumped before you threw it.
He always does. He's like, okay, that's enough of that.
Okay.